Okay, this is a video that a lot of people have been waiting for. This is how to install ROS on your Linux image. I mean, I honestly don't have too much to say on this specifically. I mean, it's ROS on your machine. It's kind of useful. We'll need it for coding. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen and we can get right into what you guys actually want instead of just staring at me talking. So if you go to ROS Wiki, that's literally where I'm going to be getting everything from today. We're going to go to this install right here. Go ahead and hit on that. And as of fall 2020, we are currently on Ubuntu 20.04. So we're going to be using ROS Noetic. So go ahead and click that guy. If you are one of the devs on, or one of the programming people on my team, fall 2020, we are running Ubuntu. So just hit Ubuntu there. And then boom, this is going to have all of the steps, all of the commands, everything. This is literally where I'm going to be getting pretty much everything for this, for the thing today. So let's get into the image of, I guess, your Ubuntu image. And let's go ahead and set up a sources list. So go into the terminal really quick. And I'm just going to be copying and pasting this first command in here. Something a little bit like that. Hit enter. Some of these commands might take a little bit, so there might be some pausing in this video, simply so you guys just don't have to wait through everything. But hopefully stuff doesn't take too long for you guys. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and pause until this gets done. Okay, that didn't take too long. Just wants the password for RMC, so we're going to go standard one. Again, I'm not going to be sharing that on here since this will be on YouTube, but ask someone else if you don't have it memorized. Go ahead and setting up keys. So again, just copying that next comment. ROS wikis can be very, very useful for pretty much everything we're doing. So boom, there we go. And then we're going to do an installation. So make sure that our stuff is up to date here. And it shouldn't take too long. Stuff should be pretty much up to date, but this will make sure that it is perfect. Yeah, if it's got to reload stuff, cool, but we should be good to go. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys. And then we are going to be doing the desktop full install, so that first one there. So go ahead and copy in this command right here, sudo apt install ROS Noetic desktop full. Enter. And we got a bunch of stuff going down. And it's going to say this much disk space is going to be used. Do you want to continue? Yes. Yes, we do. So this is going to take a little bit. Yeah. So I guess while I've got you here, I am planning on, after getting this one done, probably going through and potentially making a video to talk about setting up Catkin. I'll do in this video. And then I'll probably make one after it that goes over kind of how ROS works, just in general, from a high level, not actually any code. And then after that, I'll probably get into a actual code for you guys to learn. So hopefully it'll be pretty good, and I will get back to you when this gets to 100%. Okay, I am back. We have installed the ROS. So next thing we're going to do is set up the environment. So you guys know the drill by now. We're just going to paste that in there. Enter, boom. And the next thing we're going to do is set up, I believe, the Catkin workspace, if I remember correctly. Yes, installing and configuring your ROS environment. So, managing environment. Set up this. Okay. Creating a ROS workspace. 1 second. We are going to, that source file right there. We are going to be keeping that. Here, 1 second. Okay, so this stuff is super easy. We're just literally, I mean, not even joking. We're just going to keep copying and pasting these in here. What these commands are going to do is they are going to be making the Catkin workspace for us and doing all of that stuff. If you have watched the Unix video, you might understand a little bit of what's going on here, which is cool. If you haven't, also cool. If you want to watch it, it'd be a cool thing to watch and just kind of understand what's going on. So what's going on right now is it literally just went ahead and made that directory. And I believe if we look inside, there should be source, development level, and build. Okay. Yes, I believe. 1 second. Okay, so as it says on ROS Wiki, we are just going to go ahead and copy this command here, paste it in, the source stuff, and should be good to go. Now we need to make sure that the ROS package path is cool. So you can copy this next command, but you will need to change a little bit here, where I believe in the your user, if I remember correctly, hopefully this is right. If not, I will pause and get you exactly what we're doing, but it should be RMC at capital RMC. No such file directory. Okay, give me a second. I'll figure this one out. Okay, I went through some stuff and we should just be good to go. Yep, so that's pretty much going to do it. You now should have the file system inside your files. So if you go inside this file directory here, you should have a Catkin workspace folder that you can go into and get files with and such. So yeah, you've now successfully installed Catkin and ROS on your Linux image, so good job. I guess I need to start making some more videos on how stuff works and everything. So I hope you at least learned a little bit of something from this video, and I will see you all in the next one.